All right, high frequency word lesson number 38. Let's read our first sentence. Ready? Please get here early. Our first high frequency word is early. The opposite of early is late. Let's read our second sentence. Ready? That group has 5 people. Our second word is group. When you have a bunch of people together, or a bunch of animals, or a bunch of objects of something, it's called a group. Let's read our last sentence. Ready? A bug flew through the window. Our last high frequency word is through. All right, let's go to our high frequency words and let's say it, spell it, say it. Ready? Early. E-A-R-L-Y, early. Group. G-R-O-U-P, group. Through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through. Build. B-U-I-L-D, build. Busy. B-U-S-Y, busy. Young. Y-O-U-N-G, young. Door. D-O-O-R, door. Pie. P-I-E, pie. Floor. F-L-O-O-R, floor. Cot. C-A-U-G-H-T, cot. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. Key. K-E-Y, key. Herd. H-E-A-R-D, herd. Early. E-A-R-L-Y, early. Tie. T-I-E, tie. Half. H-A-L-F, half. Lie. L-I-E, lie. Brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought. Through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through. Earth. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Toe. T-O-E, toe. 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn. Climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb. Group. G-R-O-U-P, group. Excellent job. Now let's go ahead and spell some high frequency words. Number 1 is busy. B-U-S-S-Y, busy. Number 2, picture. Sure. T-U-R-E says chur. That's a C. There we go. Number 3 is I. Like I use my eye to see. E, Y, E. Number 4, friend. Fur, end. Now there's an I in there, so there's an I and an E, and you know which one comes first because I learned when I was little that friend ends with end, but you always have an I in there. All right, excellent job on your high frequency words again today.